Okay, welcome to Cad 7. In this one here, looks like we got a combination of some circular features and some lines. Again, when there's circular features, I like to draw those first and then build from that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and draw a circle and the diameter. I'll pick a point and I'll draw that first circle here, which is 1 1/4 diameter. I'll zoom in. And there's another circle. Even though it's an arc, I still draw them as circles, and then I can trim them off later. So I'll draw another circle from the center of that one, and that has a so it's a 1 1/4 radius, so it's 2 1/2 diameter. All right. So there's those two, and I'm going to draw a line. Looks like there's a line down the middle, like here. All right, turn your ortho on so you have a straight line. And I'll draw a line. Looks like there's a line here vertically. And I'm going to offset this line over. Looks like it's 7 inches. So I'll go to offset 7. Let me escape here. I'm going to try it again. Offset 7. Pick here. There. And I'll just draw 2 more circles here. The 1.25. I draw another circle here, which is 2.5. So there are my circles. And it looks like from the center down there's an inch, so I can offset 1 inch. Then I can offset down from that 1.75. Alright. From the center out is 2 1/2. Offset 2.5. And I can connect that corner. And then the total length is 12, so I can offset 12. Bring that over here. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use the Phillip command to join a corner. I pick Phillip. We use Phillip in Cad 6. And what I need to do is establish the radius, don't I? Alright. What is the Phillip radius you want? Well, in this case I want Phillip of 0. So I'll just put in 0. And I'll pick this line. And I'll pick this line. And it forces, you can see it forces a sharp corner. That's a 0 radius. And that's a great way to join corners for Phillip. And I'll do the other side too. I'll hit Phillip. I'll pick this line. And I'm going to pick this line over here. If I pick over here to the right, it'll cut all this section out. So I want to pick over here to the left, and it'll join that corner. Alright, and looks like there's a 1 inch line, that 1 inch line here. So I'm going to use the, I can use the Phillip command again. Phillip, pick this line, right, joins that, pick this line, hit enter, pick this line, alright, and then I'll use the, I can use the Phillip command again. This time I'll hit radius, and I'll put in the radius of 1, because that's what the 1 inch radius is. And I'll pick this line and this line. Alright, and notice how it trimmed everything out. I've lost everything, which is fine. I can come back and redraw lines in here. And I'll use my Phillip command. Pick here, see it. Alright, now I'll draw another line from here over, trim, or Phillip rather. I'm going to go ahead and erase my lines that I have. And then I'm going to trim from this bounding object to this bounding object. enter, get rid of that, trim again, bounding object, enter, get rid of that. Now the last step is to draw my center lines, but before that I want to show you that there should be, there should be a little length of a 1/4 inch here. Alright, and there is this little flat. This radius does not come all the way out to the corner. It is a 1/4 inch from the corner. I just wanted to show you that. So it's a little flat of a 1/4 inch length. If you don't know the length, again, I can go to Properties, go to List, and I can come over here and pick that line, and it should tell me that it is 2 1/4 inch long. Another way to do it is use the measure command, which is distance. All right, whenever you design things, you're always checking distances to verify that they are what they are. So you just go to distance, pick this endpoint, pick that endpoint. It's like a tape measure, and it tells you the distance is a 1/4 inch. It tells you the angle, it's 0, and the delta x is 1/4 inch, the delta y is 0, and the delta z is 0. So that is truly a flat line. The last thing to do is put center lines. Again, center lines, let's draw 2 lines. Zoom in. Kind of eyeball about there. And then grip them, change them to the center. You can move them to get a perfect make sure don't move them horizontally. I'm sure I might move them just vertically and move this one just horizontally there. Then I can copy. I want the intersection of this to the center of that, to the center of that. And you can erase this. Turn my line weight on, and there's CAD number 7.